Alright, all the gears are on properly. Look at that. I almost put the cases together improperly. Both ways it turns freely. Okay, this is just high temperature. See that high temperature? Has to use high temperature grease in here. Okay, it spins freely both ways. And don't forget, in here there's a tiny little rubber band seal. Goes in first, and then this little washer goes in after it. And grease the shit out of it so that band will stay in there. But look, here we go. And that's it. So now I just got to clean this. I have some acetone. I just got to clean the edges, and then we'll do the Yamabond 4. Not 5, 4. Okay, and that's going to stay pliable, and just going to use a little bit on there. This is what I'm concerned with right here, this area. These cases are perfectly matched. That's it, but look at this, nice and easy. Beautiful.